What is the difference between Shaytaan and Iblis? Well, actually the term Shaytaan is broader. And Shaytaan comes from Shatana, and Shatana means all those who cause you to go astray. And so Shaytaan is any entity that causes you to go astray. Any entity that becomes the leader of evil. Any entity that becomes somebody who is invoking others to be away from the Sirat al-Mustaqim. And in the Quran we learn that Shaytaan is not just a term for the followers of Iblis from the Jinn. There are also Shayateen al-Insi wal-Jinn. Shayateen of men and Shayateen of Jinn. Of course, the majority of Shayateen are Jinn. Now, by the way, I said this in the previous lectures I've given, not every Jinn is a Shaytaan. Jinn is a creation like us, and there are Muslim Jinn, there are righteous Jinn, there are good Jinn, worshipping Jinn, and there are also evil Jinn. And the evil Jinn are called Shayateen, but they're also Shayateen of mankind as well. Hadith in Sahih Muslim, our Prophet ﷺ said that towards the end of times people will come that du'atun ala abwabi jahannam. They are da'is, calling, but not to Allah. Ala abwabi jahannam. They're calling to Jahannam. And he said that shayateen fi surat al-insan. They are human shayateen. The hadith literally calls them, these are people, they are human shayateen. Now these people, they are those whose entire lives is dedicated to fitna and fasad, to bringing filth and misguiding others. And we ask Allah's refuge. Now a person commits a sin, this doesn't make him a shaitan. But a person becomes the door of sin in society. A person becomes the leader of evil, inviting others to commit sins, then that is indeed a shayateen al-ins. And there are many examples, and we ask Allah's refuge and afiyah from that.